In this video, I would like to do some constructions. These are part of the GCSE and IGCSE exams. So the question will look something like this. Construct a perpendicular bisector for the line below. What's this question means? The question means, without using a ruler, do a line that's exactly comes in the middle and it's perpendicular like that. This is what the question asks, and it's usually 2 or 3 marks. It will only allow you to use a compass. So let's grab our compass. It's here. Let me just zoom out. This is nice, isn't it? This is, yeah, it's fine. Now what you will do is, let's call these points point A, and this is point B. You will need to grab the compass and put it in any of the points, point A or point B. Let's just put it on B. Once you do that, try to open it more than a half. So this is more than a half, this is more than a half, but try to be comfortable with the length that's comfortable to your hand. Now this is fine for me. Once you did that, just use a pen and make some arc or some curve like this. Now with the same measurement, without changing the measurement, put it on the other side, and then yeah, it's the same measurement, isn't it? We didn't change it. Now do similar arc on the other side. Once you did that, it's finished. We just now need to bring the ruler and connect these points, this and this, and this, excuse me. This and this point, we need to connect them with the line. That's it, we finish. Now this line will be perpendicular and it will be in the middle of this line. So if the line was 10, this side here will be 5 and this side will be 5. How fun. It's usually 2-3 marks, and it's not just that. Let me show you another example. They sometimes sorry, they sometimes ask you to bisect an angle like this one. So let's understand what the question means. When they ask you to bisect an angle, they mean, without using the protractor, half this angle. So let's do it. To do this, you will first need to grab your compass, put it in the head of this angle, and then just open like something comfortable to your hand. Like this is fine for me. I can just even start doing this. So once you have it, do this. Now, then let's move it away. Call these points A and B if you want. And then with the same measurement, without changing the measurement, bring your compass again, put it in A and make some arc. With the same measurement, put it in B and make some arc. Now we don't want a compass anymore. Now from this point to the head of the angle, if you make a line, this is a bisector. What that means? It means if this angle was 60, this line will half it. So it's 30 and 30. How did you understand it? Was it easy? If it was easy, please go measure some angle 80 and do the perpendicular bisector. No, do the bisector of the angle and comment your answer if you got it, if you found it easy. If not, just watch the video again. And that's all for this video. There are other type of questions. I'll upload it in a different video because now the board looks strange. All right, bye.